I just got this advent calendar for my daughter and I am really excited to open it up. Let's go through it together. Now it comes in a great box, very sturdy, solid throughout, and it has a flip open top. When you open it up, it has a full playful seam here, and this ribbon keeps it from falling all the way back so it stays upright. And then it does come with a box sequence order, so if for any reason the boxes get out of order, you can put them back in their places. And here's what all those boxes look like. Let's check out just a few of them to see the great surprises that will come in this. Starting with day one, you get the keychain, and I have to say off the bat, this is way nicer than I expected it would be. It looked kind of small in the pictures on the listing. It's super, super soft here, great rubbery feel on the unicorn, and really lovely that gives you two options for the keychain. She's gonna love this. That is a great start. Oh, day 5 has 2 rings. Really fun and playful. They're kind of a silicone feel on the ring itself. And the unicorn too is soft. I do like that there aren't any hard plastics right here. These are really great for my elementary age daughter, and hopefully she'll give one of these to a friend, as that's lovely that she gets 2. One more to check out, and I'll leave the rest as surprises. Let's look at day 14. Very cool. She's gonna love this so much. Again, sticking with the unicorn theme, you have great little unicorns and different beads on this. This is really nice. It's on a good elastic band. And I love that there's a mix of some little plastic twinkly beads, but mostly wood beads, and the unicorns are also wood. You could definitely wear this as a necklace or as a bracelet. Every piece I pulled out was way nicer than I expected it would be. That was a really great surprise, and I know she is going to love this. This is a great advent calendar for girls who like accessories and clearly anything unicorn. And I definitely recommend it.